Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Uk49 lunchtime and tea time. Before starting video, I have to say something. Please watch video till the end. This is a very important video, so don't miss this video. Lunchtime and tea time. 13, 16, 48. 13, 16, 48. Three number from my two short prediction, and 16 and 48 again in tea time. Today I share my WhatsApp prediction, only 5 line with 3 straight numbers for lunchtime and tea time also. I share this prediction to my group with 65 members and more than 100 people without group. A single person 100 people, and in my group 65 peoples. 165 people play this prediction today from my WhatsApp prediction, and you see 15. Can you see 16, 32, 48, 16, 32, 48, 15, 32, 48, and also 18, 32. Here 15, 18, 32. From my group, what happened with my video? Wait a minute. From my group, 65 people win a jackpot winning today. They get 18, 32 and 48 single number, and 18, 32 two number, 18, 14, 32, 48 two numbers. In my group, this is paid group, I told you many times. So in this group I will share single number, double number and 3 straight number, and other people I share only 3 straight number, because in my group they are play lots of number, but people say give two short numbers. That's why only 5 lines with 3 straight numbers I share to 100 people, more than 100 people. In my group they win single number, double number, but can you see also 14, 32, 48, but it's a 16, 18. I share 13, 14, 12, 13. Well, from my group jackpot winning, and without group no single winning, only 2 number from here, 2 number from here, 2 number from here. Better luck next time. Thank you for watching video. Take care.